All right, Danny, I have several different renderings here for you to look at. So, number one, this is similar to the plans you sent me. When I say similar, the is 72 inches is the width of this wall, and right now I have this coming out only about like 68 inches. So the issue I see with this, first off, is this dishwasher. If we put it here, which obviously, you can see it'll fit there, but if we have somebody standing at the sink here and that door is open, the door is right behind somebody standing at the dishes. They can walk out through here, but I just don't like how that layout is with the dishwasher door being right behind your legs. And you have, I don't know what to call it, but with that wall board, there's that little recess, and that recess is 97 inches on the ceiling. It's just a limitation with the cabinet program, that's why you don't see it here. So 97 inches from here to this wall. And right now, this wall with these upper cabinets, we are at, that is 94 inches, which doesn't leave us enough room, because I have the thickness of the doors, which is 3/4 of an inch, and then crown molding, which sticks out about 2.5 inches. So that crown molding is going to be right on the edge of that recess in the wall board, which is just not going to look good. And if I bring it back any further, meaning bringing this wall closer to the range wall, this little cabinet here gets so small that it's really unusable. Right now it's 8 3/8 of an inch. So this is idea number one. And then looking at the rest, it's pretty straightforward. Our range, it's centered with our ducting, the microwave here. And then we have the refrigerator. This cabinet can only be 12 inches deep because there's a can light right here. And there's the light switch, and the right side of that light switch is 16 inches from this corner. So that's why this is set back so far. Big corner cabinet with the shelf in there. This section, you'll see in the next two, is all the same. So, this is one of my ideas. If we did this, dishwasher to the right of the sink, obviously, but we don't have the peninsula. We can do some exposed interiors here. And this cabinet, with all of these designs that I did, and it's even the same way the one that you sent me, is not centered on the window. This cabinet is about 1 1/16 to the right of center, which you won't see. Just a homeowner, they're not going to notice that, because the right side of this is just so close. I have this cabinet right now at, I think, 34 inches, yeah, which is really pushing it to get a standard sink in there. So we'll have to pay attention to that. But the center of this, looking over here, center 42 1/16, and this one's 43 1/8. So this sink cabinet, and this is all three designs, is 1 1/16 to the right of center on that. And the reason for that is, I have to have, typically I'll do a 3-inch filler right here, so when doors and drawers open, they don't clip this handle. But I've really pushed it down to 1.5 inches. On this side, this is 3 inches here, which is standard, and that's just standard throughout the cabinet industry, a 3-inch inside corner like that. Just pointing out some details. So this is the most open design. There's no issues with crown molding in this recessed little soffit piece in the dining room area. Now you've lost your peninsula. And then this last one here, if we do a peninsula, same issues with the dishwasher, but we don't have the overhead cabinets hanging out. We just put this cabinet on the wall, so that gets rid of our issue with that crown and the recessed cabinet. But again, you're writing a check for this, so we'll do what you want, but with that dishwasher door opening up behind whomever's at the sink. I'm assuming before that dishwasher was probably right here. So let me know what you think, and we can go from there. Thank you.